We have a privilege to have our father, and in a time like this, few years ago, a general was born, a prophet was sent, a God sent to our midst, the restoration apostle, Professor Johnson Suleman. Let's wish our Papa happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Let's say, Papa, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Papa, we love you. Papa, we celebrate you. We thank God for your life. God bless you. God protect you. God preserve you. God uphold you. The Lord continue to use you to heal us, to deliver us, to minister to us. Papa, we celebrate you. We join the host of heavens, the entire universe, and Omega sons and daughters worldwide to celebrate you, to celebrate your life, your uniqueness, your intelligence, your efforts, your sacrifice, your service, your commitment, your dedication, your love for mankind. Papa, we love you. Thank you for being a gift to us. Thank you for loving us. Thank you for all you do for the kingdom, for all you do that we cannot see, for all you do that only God can reward you. Thank you for praying for us. We, the Omega Fire Ministry, Birmingham 2, we wish you happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday.